In today's increasingly hybrid and mobile first work environment, keeping employees informed, engaged, and aligned has become both more challenging and more essential. Traditional communication channels like emails and bulletin boards are no longer enough. That's where Staffbase comes in, a powerful internal communication platform designed to unify messaging, boost engagement, and foster a stronger connection between organizations and their employees. Staffbase provides a centralized hub for delivering news, sharing resources, gathering feedback, and aligning your entire workforce. Whether your employees are in the office, working remotely, or out in the field, Staffbase ensures they receive the right information at the right time on the right device. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of Staffbase, highlight how they benefit organizations, and explain why it continues to be a top choice for internal communication and employee engagement. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the employee app and customizable intranet. Staffbase offers a mobile first app that also functions as a personalized intranet. Employees can access everything from company news and HR documents to training resources and benefits information, all within a single, easy to use platform. Administrators can customize layouts, widgets, and content for different user groups. Employees always have quick access to the information they need, leading to increased engagement, fewer missed messages, and better alignment across the organization. Another key feature is the segmented communication and targeting. Communication teams can create and distribute content that's tailored to specific audiences, such as departments, roles, or office locations. Push notifications and announcements ensure that time sensitive updates are seen immediately. Targeted communication increases relevance, minimizes information overload, and boosts open and engagement rates. This is especially useful in large or multi-location companies. Another key feature is the content management and editorial planning. Staffbase includes built-in tools for scheduling news posts, managing contributors, and automating publishing workflows. Editors can preview content, track review cycles, and maintain a consistent publishing calendar. A structured content pipeline improves communication quality, reduces bottlenecks, and ensures timely updates across the organization, especially during major initiatives like product launches or policy changes. Another key feature is the employee surveys, polls, and feedback tools. You can easily deploy surveys, quick polls, and feedback forms to measure employee sentiment and collect input on company initiatives. Staff-basis dashboards analyze response trends and highlight engagement hotspots or pain points. Real-time employee feedback enables leaders to make faster, more informed decisions and demonstrate responsiveness, which increases trust and satisfaction. Another key feature is the system integrations and embedded tools. Staffbase integrates with leading systems like Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Google Workspace, Workday, and Slack. You can embed tools such as time tracking, expense forms, or calendars directly into the platform. Employees save time by accessing third-party tools directly from Staffbase. Fewer logins and less context switching means better productivity and user satisfaction. So why is Staffbase a great choice? Staffbase is more than just a communication tool. It's a strategic platform that empowers organizations to build stronger relationships with their employees. Its ability to reach everyone, from deskless workers to corporate staff, makes it ideal for modern, diverse workforces. What sets Staffbase apart in 2025 is its focus on scalability, personalization, and user experience. Whether you're a company of 200 or 20,000, the platform is built to grow with you. Communication teams can adapt messages to local cultures, align campaigns across regions, and support multiple languages, making it suitable for global enterprises. Staff bases consistent innovation like AI supported content suggestions and automated scheduling continues to make internal communication faster and more effective. In a landscape where employee experience directly impacts retention and performance, this platform enables HR and leadership teams to create a culture of openness, responsiveness, and trust. So basically, as organizations face evolving challenges around workforce communication and engagement, Staffbase delivers the tools to keep employees connected, informed, and motivated. With its robust features, from mobile intranet to analytics and integrations, it simplifies internal communication while enhancing its impact. It empowers employees at all levels to participate in the conversation, stay engaged, and contribute to the company's success. So, whether you're launching a new initiative, navigating change, or strengthening company culture, Staff Base helps you communicate clearly, consistently, and effectively. So start using Staffbase today and transform the way your organization connects with its people. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.